let any man or anybody make you feel like you are less than or you are not attractive. Like, no. What's up, beauties? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Trendy if you're new here, and if you're a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey. But today I'm wanting to bring you guys a maintenance vlog. I seen that you guys love the maintenance vlogs, so I wanted to bring them back. The first thing that I did was get my nails done. I actually went to a new nail salon because y'all, my nail salon that I was going to, where I was giving y'all the nail vlogs, I don't know where they're at. Like, I keep going and attempting to go to the shop, but they're never at the shop. They're not as long as I usually get them, but they are so pretty. I wanted to get like bubble bath, but they didn't have OPI bubble bath. That's like my favorite neutral nail polish, but this is the closest they can get. I forgot what brand of powder it is, but it is in the color light pink. Y'all, I've been having these braids in for a month now. I'm so tired of looking a mess. I'm just going to get my hair braided down today, and then I'm going to apply a unit. Y'all remember when they used to be like, girl, do not cut all the way down here, because you know your hair does not start all the way down here. Y'all remember that? I'm going to start down here just to be safe. I don't care. Oh, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the YouTube channel as well as like this video. Y'all, these braids were actually really convenient. The last time I got braids, they were like box braids and they were so heavy, but these were actually like so lightweight, and I will definitely get them again. She only charged me $85 and she took 3 hours, and she had the hair already. This is all the hair that came out of my head. Like, that is a lot, but it wasn't heavy though. So I'm gonna show y'all how my hair looks, and it was pretty long, so let me put y'all on real quick. So I just got out the shower, and this body wash is so moisturizing. Like, I had to tell y'all, it's the Dove Irritation Care, and it's the fragrance free one, and this is bomb. Like, it's like putting on lotion in the shower. I mean, it's so creamy, and I just love it. So I just want to come and tell y'all about that. Look at my eyebrows. What we gonna do, y'all? What we gonna do? Okay, so like I was saying, that body wash is bomb, but I wanted to show you guys what has been working on my skin. It's the CeraVe Renewing SA cleanser, and the SA stands for salicylic acid. This cleanser has been probably the only thing that has been keeping my skin clear for a while now. It's for normal skin, and it gently cleanses and exfoliates while softening and smoothing the skin. And I definitely can see my skin more smoother, and that's probably the effects of the salicylic acid, because it's supposed to get deep down into your pores. I kind of like dry cleanse, and it has a good thud to it too. I always use a paper towel. I don't use a towel to wipe off my face. Towels hold bacteria, and so I feel like this is the better option for me and my skin. So I just wanted to show y'all that little bit of my skincare. I'm planning on doing a whole skincare video. So don't forget to subscribe and like this video for that video coming up. If you are new to my channel, I'm just gonna let you know I have the thinnest eyebrows, and I have been growing these eyebrows out since March. I don't want to get them waxed, and they wax all my hair off my face. I'm scared to go back to the brow bar and get my eyebrows waxed, so I'm finna see what I can do. I have been hiding it with concealer, but at some point concealer doesn't work anymore, so I'm about to sit down and take my time, and we're gonna do it together. This is clean and moisturized, and I'm just gonna brush the hairs up. Y'all see how long my eyebrows are? I guess I should do like they do it in the wax place and just get scissors and cut them, which I think was they doing too much. I got these from Walmart. They're About Face Fuzz Free Fold and Go Groomers. Gently smooths away peach fuzz. So this is what I got. Right now I'm just stalling. Don't want to do this. But anyway, I don't know how you supposed to. Do you supposed to hold it like this? I know I'm going to hold my eyebrows tight. Do I go downward or upward? I'm gonna YouTube it.
Maybe it's just me, but I don't see the need to pay somebody else to do my eyebrows when I can do them at home and I get the same result. So I'm just gonna finish up the bottom half of my brows and I'll be back.
Oh my god. And I cut myself. Got a little witch hazel. Trying to figure out if I should mess with the front. I don't know. This is the after. Of course, they're still red. I like this one better than this one. So I'm about to put on a little makeup, and then we're gonna get to the hair part. Wearing lash, getting lash extension. I think y'all with me the last time I did it, and after that I took them out, and then I was gonna go back, and then all of a sudden I seen all these girls in my city on Facebook saying they got staph infections. So I was just like, I don't know about that. I don't know about that. So I was just like, I'm just gonna stick to my strip lashes. So I'm gonna show y'all the ones I've been wearing. They're from this brand, the 3D Mink Lash brand, Ms. Lash. And these are the number 26. And I love these. 19s. These are the ones that I started off with. I think they're a little shorter. I really can't tell. But this is number 26. And then this is number 19. But I love the lash that starts off short in the front and flares out in the end. I think that complements my eye shape. I love the brand because the hairs on the lash, like, it's like not like hard, it's like soft and fluffy, like mink lashes really are. So I love those lashes. Those are my favorite lashes right now at the hair store. You can get them, I think they range about, I think those are like $4.99 a pack. Alright, beauties, so this is my hair. I think it's cute. Alright, beauty, so this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I have not been feeling the best these past like 2 to 3 weeks. I just haven't been feeling very confident And I just wanted to put that out there and be very transparent on here, because I do say, you know, stay beautiful inside and out, and inside meaning mental health as well. And I have been struggling with that for a little while now, and probably all of my life. But this past few weeks has been really hard for me. But I just wanted to remind you guys that, you know, no matter what you're going through, God has you. And don't let any man or anybody that, you know, anybody make you feel like you are less than or you are not attractive. Like, no, you are beautiful inside and out, no matter what. So yeah, like, don't ever let nobody make you feel like you are just nobody, because everybody is somebody. And yeah, you're one of my beauties, and I love you guys so much. If you are not subscribed, please make sure that you subscribe to this YouTube channel, as well as like this video if you enjoyed this video. I thank you guys so much, and don't forget to stay beautiful inside and out, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.